All right, so I just received this, and we're going to take a look at it. Just going to pop it up. This thing's super heavy. It's a transformer, and let me get this out of it. This is the, it's a voltage converter. This is the manual, so you're going to need this. So this goes from 120 to, I guess, 12 volt. And, it's for, if you've got 12 volt lighting for your house, for uplighting, let's say you want to do, this is what you want to use. And so it shows you all the different, the schematic on it. Here's some more information down here. You guys can screenshot that if you want. It's got more in the back. Let me go ahead and put this on here so you can see it. It's got the instructions. I'll kind of go up slow. So if you need to do a screenshot of it. Okay, there's the company. Let's save this because we may need that. Although I have done these a couple times. So let's take a look at it. Well, it does come with some anchors. Put those to the side. Let me just pull this. Wow, it's super heavy. Let me get it out. All right, here we go. All right, here we are. So this is the bottom of it, right? And so this is where your connection is going to be for your lighting. And then you've got to have some place to plug it in, of course. You follow me? And this is, you can run your cord through there, I guess. And this over here is circuit breaker, all right? Let's flip it over so you guys can see. Yeah, caution, screw connections must be tight. Do not mix solid and standard type wires under one screw. Okay. And this here, if I pulled it, this is just, oh, you press this. Okay, I see. And then this is showing you how to split it. And then you look in the front, and I guess this is your on and off here. And let's see what we got on the side here. Suitable for outdoor use only. Okay. Do not use with dimmers. Do not connect two or more power supplies in parallel. For use with low voltage landscape lighting, that's what we want to use it for. Caution, use only with a maximum 300 watt lamp load. Mount at least 1 foot above the ground. Okay, so they want that's pretty much like almost every single other one of these things. And I got to tell you, this weighs like, I would say probably 15 pounds, just to let you guys know. And that's pretty much it. We just got to hook it up and put some 12 volt lights on it and try it out in the backyard. And that'll be another video, but this is the unboxing. Let me grab the box real quick because it does have some stuff on the back of it. All right, so this is the company here, all right? And they got a support, and I think there's a phone number right here. Gives you the dimensions. And it's got 10 programs. And it shouldn't be too hard to figure out. So you guys, I think almost anybody can do this. So, all right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I hook this thing up. Peace out.